Okay, today we're gonna make my favorite pastrami sandwich. For you guys who are not familiar with pastrami is a type of deli meat which is made from beef brisket, and it's brined, seasoned, and smoked. So, well, it's very popular in New York, made popular by a Jewish deli, and now it's kind of like symbolizes New York. It's the most famous, most popular sandwich in New York. Okay, what we're gonna be needing is, of course, the pastrami. You could use the bulk one or the pre-cut ones. I just bought both of them so I could show you guys what are your options. I got this at SNR. Here you go. Then we're gonna need some cheese. I'm gonna be using mozzarella. You could also use, well, most of the time what they usually use is the the provolone, because it's a little bit stronger. It's kind of harder versus the mozzarella, which is softer and sweeter. Because this is aged younger. The provolone is aged longer, so it has that harder texture, and it is what do you call this? It is a little bit sour versus this one. It's sweet, so that's why this is more popular for pizzas and sandwiches. And then of course we're gonna be using dill pickle, and of course mustard, mayo. I like using this mayo versus the one in the bottle because it's harder to scoop it. With this one you can just squeeze. And then of course we're gonna be using wheat bread. Wheat bread, because we don't have, well, it's hard to find. I don't know if there is, or I don't think there is, but if there is, it's hard to find a rye bread in the Philippines. The difference between rye bread and wheat bread is it's stronger. The rye bread is stronger, and it's a little bit sour, and it has a darker color. This one, it has sweeter flavor and it's a little bit softer, but this is definitely stronger than a white bread, because if you use a white bread, it just shreds every time you eat it. And then we're gonna add a little lettuce, because the most popular vegetable or most popular accent to the pastrami sandwich is the sauerkraut. But sauerkraut, not a lot of people like it. It's sour. And basically, if you guys are not familiar with it, it's just like a kimchi with less flavor, because the sauerkraut is made out of cabbage, and it's fermented, and they add salt, versus the sauerkraut versus the what's this, I just lost my thought, versus the Korean kimchi, which has more flavor because they add garlic, they add spices, so it's more flavorful. But anyways, we're not gonna use that in this video or in this menu on my sandwich, but I just wanna let you know what your options are. Okay, let's get started.